Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the place where you learn new skill every time you visit. So keep updating yourself by subscribing to the channel.
Today I'm going to share with you what I'm using to write something on the text rather than writing. I'm using the voice to text feature of the Google, right? So this can be used to make any documents, and these days I have been using it to make my MCQs, right? So how to use it? First you have to open your Android phone and you need to go to the Play Store. So in the Play Store you will have to look for Google Input Tool, and this Google Input Tool you have to install. Since I have already installed it, so it's coming open for me, otherwise for you it will come as install. After that you need to install the MS Office, MS Word rather than, so you'll say MS, you'll search for the MS Word or Microsoft Word on the uh, Play Store, and you will get this version. Again, it's installed for me, so it's coming like this. So after installing this, you need to open the MS Word, and somewhere here I made the shortcut. Here it is. So this is the document which I have already created using this, and you can see so many questions I was able to type in a 2 hours time. So how it works, right? So you open a document, new document. For you it will be new document. For me it's coming out to be already make a document. So when you're opening a new document, you can directly start. When you're opening a already made document, you need to go to edit option over here. So once you click at that edit, cursor pops up, you go to the option and start saying something. So you have to click on this mic and question 1. If you want to edit in between, you have to click on the keyboard, because sometimes whatever you say it may not recognize it, and that will happen initially. Once it has not recognized your voice, you recognize your accent properly, this will happen. So you can delete it manually. Sorry. All right. And after deleting it, you can again start anytime. So again, mic, question 1, next line. What are the types of operating system? Next line. Now when you want to edit, first switch off the mic and then go to the keyboard and do it. Otherwise whatever you are saying, that will come as a text over there. So again I'll start. Next line. 1. Shared operating systems. Next line. 2. Standalone operating systems. Next line. 3. Now again, some words it may not be able to recognize, but once you type a lot of text, then it may be, or you have to speak in a proper way. Otherwise, anyway, that you can anytime edit it. You go to the keyboard and type whatever you want to change it to. Again, mic 1 and 2. Next line. 4. Again, it's not recognizing my 4, so you need to change it. So once you start doing it properly, and if it starts recognizing your voice properly, then you don't have to do this editing in between. None of the above. Next line. Question 2. Next line. So this way you can use it. I am doing it this way. You can use it also this way if you liked it. Thank you for giving your time. And once you have typed it, you have to just click on this right button, OK button, check button to save it. That's it. After that, you click over here. You can share it directly to the as attachment to your mail, or the Word document, or a PDF to your drive. And once it goes to your drive, once it goes to your drive, then you can download it in your laptop and share it whatever you want to do with it, right? So thank you for giving me your time. Bye bye. Take care.
If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. Also press the bell notification so that you get notification as soon as I release a new video. Share and like the video.